Hi guys, Attorney Brianna Robertson here, and I just want to take a time to talk about what the trademark process actually looks like. So whenever you want to trademark your brand, the first step that you always want to do is you want to make sure that you get a comprehensive trademark research done. The reason why this is so important is to first make sure that your brand is actually available to be trademarked and if you're going to have any issues in the process down the line. And usually a trademark research will show you that. But after you do the trademark research and you realize that the name is available, the process that you take to trademark your brand is first you want to sit here and determine what classifications is best to register your brand in. There's a whole lot of classes that you can register your brand in, and so you need to go and do the research to figure out what is the best classifications to register your brand in, and also determine if you need to register your brand in multiple classes. There is an additional fee for each class that you register your brand in. After you determine what class you want to register your brand in, you then need to go on the USPTO website and you want to choose either the TEAS Plus or the TEAS Standard application. The TEAS Plus application is cheaper than the TEAS Standard, but with that, it can come with extra fees if you don't do the whole application correctly, such as if you don't have the proper classifications and you have to redo the classifications, they will make you pay an extra fee to fix that. In which case it's probably better that you use the TEAS Standard application, which gives you more room to be able to fix the classes or to fix the description of your goods and services, and it's a little bit more forgiving than the TEAS Plus application. The TEAS Standard application is about $100 more than the TEAS Standard, so it's probably worth that extra $100 because if you mess up, you're going to have to pay the extra $100 anyway. After you've gone through the process of putting in your actual application, then you're going to be waiting for a trademark examiner to be assigned. Right now, it's taking anywhere between 6 to 8 months for a trademark examining attorney to be assigned to your trademark. So until one is assigned, nothing's really going to happen with your trademark application. However, once a trademark examining attorney is assigned to your application, they will then go do the research on your trademark, and then they will be the ones to do the research on your actual trademark application to see if there's any other conflicting marks or other illegal issues that will bar your trademark from being registered. If they do find things that would bar your trademark from being registered, you will be issued in what's called an office action. If you get an office action, you will then have 6 months to respond to that office action to say why your mark should not be refused, or to fix the corrections that they say that needs to be fixed, in order to keep your trademark alive and to keep it on the whole registration process. If you do not respond to the office action, your trademark will become abandoned, in which case you just wasted your money because now the whole application process has died and your trademark's not registered. Now, that is the process if you receive an office action. If the trademark examining attorney that is assigned to your mark finds no conflicting issues with your trademark being registered, then you bypass the whole office action stage and you go directly to what's called the publication stage. The publication stage is when your trademark then gets put in the Trademark Gazette, and this is what allows anybody to be able to look at your trademark across the globe, and if there's anybody who thinks that your mark is going to conflict with, is infringing on their mark, or they have any legal means or why your mark should not be registered, this is the time for them to do that. The publication stage, once your mark gets put for publication, lasts for 30 days. And so people have 30 days to oppose your mark being registered. If you don't get any opposition during that publication stage, then your mark goes on to what's called the registration stage. And this is the stage that we all like because that's when you could get your nice little trademark certificate that says that you now have a valid trademark. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or if you want any help with your trademark process, please feel free to contact my office, the law office of Brianna C. Robertson. You can contact us at bcrobertsonlaw.com, and we are here and ready to help you protect your brand.